Hello, my friend. It's Henry here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly your mind goes blank? No words, no idea, nothing comes out. Maybe you want to sound natural. Maybe you want to sound confident. Maybe you want to sound like a native speaker, but your mouth says, sorry. Wait. Let me think. If this has happened to you, trust me, you are not alone. It happens to millions of English learners. It happened to me too when I learned my second language. Here is a fun fact. People speak English very fast, but most of the time they use very simple phrases, short phrases, easy phrases, everyday phrases. So today, I will show you how to sound natural, how to sound confident, and how to sound more like a native speaker with 5 super easy steps. And don't worry, this is not grammar. This is not theory. This is real English. English you can use today. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Confident English Cast. When you support the show, you help more learners around the world. Thank you so much. All right, let's jump in. Introduction. What you'll learn today. In today's episode, I will teach you 5 simple steps that help you speak English like a native. These steps are easy. These steps are practical. And these steps work even if you are a beginner. You will learn how to use short, natural phrases, how to copy native rhythm, how to think in English, how to use filler words, how to relax and speak with confidence. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You only need practice, patience, and a little fun. Ready? Let's begin with Step 1. Step 1. Use short native phrases. Most native speakers use short phrases, simple phrases, quick phrases. We do not speak like textbooks. We do not say, "I am very sorry for being late today." We say, "Sorry I'm late." We do not say, "I do not understand your meaning." We say, "Not sure I get you." Short, natural, easy. Here are some phrases you can use every day. Sounds good. All good here. No worries. I'm not sure. Let's see. Give me a sec. I get it. Try to practice one phrase every day. Use it with friends. Use it at work. Use it with yourself. For example, when someone asks you, "Can you help me?" Instead of saying, "Yes, I can help you with that," say, "Sure, no problem." See? It's natural. It's friendly. It's easy. Okay? Good. Let's go to Step 2. Step 2. Copy the rhythm, not the words. English is music. English has rhythm. English has a beat. If you want to sound like a native speaker, don't only copy the words. Copy the sound. For example, listen to this sentence. I don't know. Most natives say it like, I don't know, very fast. One small sound. Here is another example. Did you eat? Natives say, did you eat? The rhythm is smooth, light, connected. Here is what you can do. Listen to a short video. Pause the video. Repeat the sound, not the word. Copy the voice like a mirror. Do this for 5 minutes a day. Just 5 minutes. You will feel the difference in 1 week. Think of English like dancing. You do not need perfect steps. You need rhythm. You need flow. Right? Let's continue. Step 3. Think in small English blocks. Thinking in English is hard. I know. But you don't need to think in big sentences. Think in blocks. For example, instead of thinking, I need to go to the market to buy some fruit, think, go market, buy fruit. Let's go. Small blocks, short ideas, fast thinking. Here are some useful blocks. Need coffee. Feeling tired. Time to work. Let's eat. I like this. Use these blocks in your mind. Use them when walking. Use them when cooking. Use them when sitting on the bus. Soon your brain will say, oh, English is easy. And you will speak faster. Naturally, confidently. Ready for step 4? Let's go. Step 4. Use filler words to sound natural. Native speakers use filler words. A lot. All the time. Filler words help you sound natural. They give you time to think. They make you feel relaxed. Here are some very common filler words. Well. So. I mean. You know. Like. Here is an example. You want to say, I think learning English is fun. With filler words, you say, well, I think learning English is, you know, fun. See? It sounds soft. It sounds natural. It sounds like real conversation. But remember, use them slowly. Use them softly. Use them when you need time. Okay? Great. Now let's move to our final step. Step 5. Relax your voice and speak slowly. Many learners think native speakers speak fast. Yes, sometimes. But when we want to be clear, we speak slowly, softly, comfortably. You do not need big energy. You do not need a strong voice. You need to relax. Here are simple tricks. Breathe before speaking. Smile a little. Use short sentences. Pause between ideas. Do not rush. Here is an example. You want to say, I had a very long day today, and I feel very tired now. Instead, say, long day today. I'm tired now. Simple, clear, relaxed. Confidence comes from calm. Confidence comes from space. Confidence comes from comfort. You've got this. Really. Small progress. Milestones. Let me tell you what will happen when you follow these 5 steps. After one day, you will notice new phrases in your mind. Your mouth feels lighter. Your English feels more natural. After 1 week, you will speak faster. Your rhythm improves. Your confidence grows. You will think, hey, this feels easy now. After 1 month, you will sound very natural. People will say, wow, your English is so good. You will feel proud. You will feel strong. You will feel ready for more. Small steps, big results. Practical, daily life applications. How can you use these ideas in real life? Here are some simple examples. At work, someone says, can you send the file? You say, sure, give me a sec. Short, natural, with friends. Someone asks, want to eat outside? You say, sounds good. Friendly. Easy. At a shop. The shopkeeper asks, anything else? You say, think that's it? Clear. Simple. During a meeting, you do not understand something. Say, not sure I get you. Native. Polite. When you need time. Say, let me see. Relaxed. Natural. Use these phrases every day. Practice them. Repeat them. Use them again. Your English will grow. Your confidence will shine. Quick recap. 5 points. Let's quickly review our 5 steps. Use short native phrases. Keep it simple. Copy the rhythm. Focus on sound. Think in English blocks. Small ideas. Big results. Use filler words. Relax and take your time. Speak slowly and calmly. Confidence is calm. Easy, right? Yes. Very easy. Warm closing message. My friend, you can do this. You can speak English well. You can sound confident. You can sound natural. Remember, you do not need perfect grammar. You do not need long sentences. You only need small, daily steps. Keep going. Keep practicing. And keep believing in yourself. Thank you for listening to Confident English Cast. I'm Henry, and I'm proud of you. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the show, and it helps other learners around the world. Take care, stay confident, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye, my friend.